Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and today we're going to talk about this pattern. It's called Frame Trio. Let me show you a larger size of it. And we do have kits. Yay! If you're one of the first to grab one, they'll run out quickly. But this is designed to go with this printed 23rd Psalm. And if you look at it, you can see that this section right here is the whole 23rd Psalm. On this part right here is just the very beginning, then this is the middle, and right here is the last line. So this pattern is designed to work with these three pieces. So it tells you in the pattern what size to cut these. There's little lines here that are guides to go by, so you can use those to center. And I found that for this section, going this way, it's right, but going this way, I needed to add about 1/8 of an inch on either side. So before you start cutting, you want to figure out exactly how you're going to cut it. Maybe you even want to draw, some faint lines with a pencil or a marking pencil, just to make sure that you've got it set up and you can get it centered. So these come in this natural, and they come in white, and white is what I used for this kit. So it's a really fun pattern. It's not very difficult. They make great gifts. You can quilt them up. I was even thinking about just doing a real simple butterfly design on this one. And then they make a nice wall hanging. If you look at the pattern, you can see it's 26 by 32. It's not real big, and it's not real repetitive. You get to do some fun stuff. You get to do these sew off the corner things and making, normal quilter star. This center gets put together, one of those things I love doing this, where you stitch part of a seam and then you stitch the whole seam and the whole seam and the whole seam and go back and finish this one, and it's all awkward looking until you get to the last page and it shows you how to do this really cool diagonal seam. So it's a lot of fun. The pattern has lots of pictures, so it's easy to follow. Anyway, so head for our website and find it, get the kits if there's any left, and hopefully you'll get one. And that otherwise we still have the pattern and the panels. So have fun with that. See you again soon.